I see no with 1,500. Hi guys, so this is my 1,500. I'm just joining the challenge. One of my mentees, Sisiyemmietv, she challenged us to make a meal with 1,500. So I'm off to the market. Let's see what 1,500 can get for me. I have 3 lists for vegetable soup and for what's the other thing I wrote there? And for yam. Meso said I should, my daughter Meso said I should use that to cook spaghetti. Okay, she even said I should use that and do yam and egg sauce. My mom said I should do vegetables, but I don't know which one I'm going to do. So when I get to the market, I would know the prices in the market. Say Meso here. Meso, so come and say hello. I'm not come back. So I don't know anyone I'm able to get with this money. Anyhow, Sha. So guys, please, if you're a returning subscriber, please, thank you. If you please subscribe to my channel and please share this video and everything. Thank you Sisiyemmietv for this challenge. It's actually going to make me cook. I've not cooked for a very long time now. I've not actually gone to the market for a very long time. I practically send people to the market. So I'm going to go to the market myself and I'm going to cook the meal myself. And I hope it turns out very well. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And please, if you're yet to check out Sisiyemmietv's channel, please kindly go and check out the channel. And you too, you can join in the challenge. It's very simple. What can 1,500 what can you cook with 1,500? So let's see how it turns out. All right guys, let's go. I'm even using leg to go because I'm just going to go to a nearby market around my house. All right guys, so guys, I'm here. I'm at Maitama Ultra Modern Market. So I'm at the market right now. This is actually tougher than I had expected. I've not been to this market to actually buy food stuff because the truth is I barely go to the market to buy food stuff. So I'm actually going to try and locate where they are selling food stuff. And I hope they don't cut off my head. My mom said I should actually tie my hair so they will not think I have money. But whatever, I'll give it a try. So I'm just going to find where they are selling food stuff. And stay tuned once again. So guys, I got to the market. I was confused about what I'm going to prepare with my 1,500. And this lovely lady here made a... What did you say she cooked with this? Soup. She's going to help me with the list. So, what did you say she used with the soup?
Cocoyam, uzali, yellow pepper.
I don't know how to use cocoyam.
Then use sachet one, powdered one.
This is a bowl. I thought I want that. As now, I can use the powdered one.
Yes. We mix it. Yes,
Okay, so you can help me organize 1,500 and I'll make a good soup.
Okay.
You see? I get to
the fish or the meat.
They said I should make 1,500. Family of 6. Gary is inside though.
Yes.
My meat is inside though. Yes. My stockfish is inside. All right, guys. So let's get started. So they were telling me how to use the cocoyam and the ogiri to prepare the soup. The truth is I've never actually prepared soup with that. So guys, I made new friends in my journey. This is Blessed and Amazing. They are helping their mom sell the fruit stuff. So this is what I'm talking about. Being a young lady who actually have dreams and not go around doing things that are not right. So you see, when I see them, it reminds me of myself when I was actually helping my mom to sell corn, not going waywardly and stuff like that. So if you are a youth out there, this is something you should always know. There is always an option to whatever you want to do. So this is a big shout out to Blessing and Ezinne, and they're my new friends now. I'll be coming to the market and I'll be buying from them. So say hello to my friends. Hello guys, bye. I'm back at home now, so I just want to start. It's been a while, I thought, but I'm glad this family is making me to cook. This is my ugu, this is my salt, my red oil, my meat, crayfish, stockfish. This is the 15 naira balance I use in buying guava. This is my mama, ogiri, maggi, gari, cocoyam, my yellow pepper, and my ugha. I'm going to cook oha soup. This is actually the first time I am cooking oha soup with ogiri and cocoyam, and I hope this turn out well. So this is the meat. I'm just trying to stem it. So I put the cocoyam. I'm cooking the cocoyam. Then I should put the cocoyam. And this is the stockfish and the dry fish. I'm trying to like.
Hi God, you should not mind me. I have bad manners. I was just eating the small fish. My mom was like, even the small fish, but see me, I have.
And this is the hot soup. After this, ugha is not meant to be cooked, I guess. So just put it, turn it, and that is the soup. Soup again. This would be too thick. I think I would have put in more water. There is too much leaf.
Yeah, it's too much.
So the leaf is too much, but
Yes.
No. My soup is ready. So guys, this is my 1,500 soup. Oha soup. One. So for me, man, check it out. This is fun. I had fun, I swear. So this is my soup is ready. Oha soup with cocoyam. I did it with even ogiri. This is my first time of trying it. And guys, I hope I did well. And this is my 1,700 meal. Soup is so plenty. I hope you guys subscribe. Yes, now. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys soon enough. And thank you, Sisi, for this opportunity. Seriously, you've made me try out things. I'm super grateful. So guys, this is my soup. This is me consuming my soup, Jerry. It's been a while. Meso, do you want to eat?
No, but I was finish this guy.
Did anybody ask you about able to finish the guy? How is your business? Topo topo. See, mommy has made. Oh, it's very sweet. You need to try out my soup. It's super sweet, yeah.
Guys, see my soup that I cooked with my 2 hands. Madam, don't give me a bad review. Madam, don't give me a. See my daughter, she's that girl. Like, so she's going to give me a bad review. Guys, see, my food. Doesn't it look interesting? See,
Do you want to find it?
Madam, my people should make your garri. See that they said it's family of 1-5. That does not mean people should finish the soup today. They're eating this soup for at least 3 days. Let's do a review for me. Give me bad review, eh?
Sweet.
Are you sure? But it's sweet, ba? I did a good job. Poppy, don't eat it, guy. You'd have given me a good review. So, guys, please subscribe, and share. This is actually, this thing is interesting for me. It's fun. You can actually try it out. I'm also challenging you. She's too sweet. Otherwise, eating. Meaning it's too sweet. You see what I'm saying? The Sisiyemmietv challenge 1,500. I made an amazing meal. Alright, guys. Subscribe and take care of yourself. Bye. I'm super pijari.